Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to see the secret message on your Omega Swatch watch, the Snoopy version, so the mission to the Moonphase. Now if you are going to go and purchase this watch from the Swatch store, because you are only able to buy it from the Swatch stores, you are going to also need to purchase an additional UV flashlight. I'm going to leave a link in the description below to this one. You can go and purchase it on Amazon, and it is going to also come with brand new batteries, so that way you are going to be able to see the secret message and also the Moonphase lit up. As you can see on the Swatch website, this is what the message reads. So I can't sleep without a nightlight, and you can also see that the moon and the stars lit up. This can only happen if you use a UV flashlight. So it's not going to work with regular flashlights or using the light from the sun or a light bulb. And if I turn it on, as you can see, you can already read the message, and you can see that the moon is already also lit up, as well as the stars. This is also with the lights off. As you can see, we have the hour markers that have the lume, but as you can see, we actually need the flashlight, so the UV flashlight, in order to be able to see everything on the dial. So as you can see, the entire dial is more electroluminescent compared to other previous models from the Omega Swatch watch release. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. So in order to fully enjoy your Omega Swatch Snoopy version, so mission to the Moonphase, you are going to need a UV flashlight. Once again, link in the description below, guys. If you want to know how to replace the watch strap, so to have this very nice fully integrated rubber strap, I have a full video on that as well. Also how to replace the watch battery, and a full guide on how to use all the features on your watch, so how to set the time and Moonphase, how to use the tachymeter function, the chrono function, and how to reset or readjust the watch hands of the chronograph. If that sounds interesting to you guys, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'm going to see you on the next one.